Hello and welcome to a new tutorial series. I have got a lot of requests from you guys that said build something like a practical web application with Laravel and Vue so that we can learn how to build it. So here is a preview of what I'm going to build for you. This is very nice application. I'm building it for someone else currently, for a client. So I thought, why not I just show it to other people how we can make it a complete web application with Laravel, the latest version, Laravel 5.6 currently. I think 5.7 will come soon and we will just continue to it, and Vue.js version 2 or above, something like this. So this is what we are going to build. So I will just show you the features of it. I will just open it in incognito so that you can see all the feature, the front end. So let's go to the home page first. You will learn a lot here. So here is the home page. Of course, for now this is nothing very fancy. I can go down, or I can go to the services here, as well as a little more down, and this is very nice. I will not go down. There might be some sensitive information for now, so this should be a secret. And this is how the front page will look like. Of course, I will show you the different way how you design things on Illustrator, how you do the SVG stuff like that, and then we will jump to the backend. So in the backend, you can just go into the login, and from here either you can use Facebook or Gmail. If you press on the Gmail, I will show you how you can use authentication with with social network, like even with GitHub, something like that. You can just write your Gmail, and the Laravel Socialite will offer you, and I will show you how you can use it. Again, you can write your Gmail. It will just create your account and save all your information in the database. For now, I have an account here, so I will log in with my account. You can use your Facebook or anything else. Once you log in to your application, you will have a dashboard like this. This is not yet complete, but as you can see, this is gonna use the Vue router. So if I go to the profile, it will not refresh the page. It will just send a request for another route or another component, and it will do that. So this is the profile page. So the setting, it's not complete yet, but there's the member part which is done. So there is how you can create stuff. So I'm not going to use jQuery for most of this stuff. I will use Vue.js and Axios to send HTTP requests and create all of this stuff. I have another tutorial that use jQuery, and it's not Ajax, but this one is using Ajax and Axios and promise requests like that. So here is how. Let's create a user here. Let's say we create something like nice at job.com. Let's say here the role of admin, and of course I will show you how rule and permission work here. I will just give a very random password, and then creating the database, the user. As you can see, if you create the user, you will see a notification here, as well as it will refresh your table and show the user here. If you check, it did not refresh the page. It is using the Ajax request to create all of these things. So we will learn a lot about state management and events and Vue.js, something like that, a lot. Again, you can edit the same user here. You can say nice app, let's say, and you can save the changes, and it will save the changes and will show it here. As you can see, it is very easy, and I think it is very nice. Again, you can just delete it. Are you sure? Or cancel it. If you are sure, yes, delete it, and it will be deleted from here. Okay, yeah, this is how we are going to build. Of course, there are a lot of things you can learn in this course. Plus, you will learn how to use APIs. In Laravel, API is one of the most important. Like, it should be secure. Other people cannot send requests through your API. We are using Laravel Passport for that, and you will learn that also. So I hope this application will help you understand all the concepts of building a fully functional web application with Laravel and Vue. This is how we are going to build this stuff. The goal of this tutorial is basically just when you are building application for your clients, there are some problems you might face. I will show you the relational database between like user profile, user organization, thing like that, and all of those stuff I will just cover. So this is going to be a complete tutorial. You will not find any tutorial like this on the internet. even if it is, most of them are not free, so I will just record it for free, and you can watch and you can build your application. This is, I will design the course like and build the application. This should be like a blueprint, like you can use it in your future projects, something like that. It's not going to be exactly like this. It will be, the design will be like this, but it should have a multi-purpose so that you can use in the future. So that is what I'm going to build. So the cost is free. All you need to do is, I need well, you know what, when I started the channel, I was not expecting like people will like my tutorial, and now I see these are very helpful. So I just want to improve the channel and build more content. So what I want to do is, I just need 100 like for this video, then I will start recording the video. You know, the application is very nice, so I know you will like it. But the thing is, like, I just need more people to reach out and see the tutorial. So if you have a friend, just call them to just give a like, so I should know that people really like my content and they will use it. So that is the only cost it has. 100 like is nothing. Like, I have more than 1,600 subscribers. So the thing is, like, I just want more people to watch this content and use the content. So that is it, and I just want to inspire people to learn coding. That's, I think, it. And see you in the first chapter of the course. So I am just waiting for 100 like, then I will start sharing the video, and I will start recording the video till I get 1,100 like. So I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any question, feel free to ask below the video, and those who don't know me, let me know in the comment if you want to know me. So I haven't talked about myself, my name, nothing about myself. If you are interested, so I will just make another video and introduce myself and how I learn coding, and I will share some of my experience with you guys. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.